Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. This is part 3 of my Belize trip video. So let's see what I was up to. Oh my god! That's sucking crab! Oh my gosh! To the out, Tamara! Well, before the day even got started, I almost lost my life to a crab. Oh my gosh! Just look at this. Lively. This is my little niece. Well, actually, this is my great niece and nephew. That who is pretty baby? That who is pretty baby name? How you name baby? How you name? No, go there. And that who this? That who this? That who this? You can't go there. You can't go over there. You can't go over there. I have a snake to try to get in my bedroom. Say hey there. It's a toad snake. Oh my god, Tamara, hindi ko pa yan. Tamara. Oh my god. Get what's in there? What if... My god, I lost the snake. Oh my god. Bloody toad snake to try get in my room, you know. It's funny. I don't trust the snake. He looks small, like he could squeeze through that thing. There's a lot to kill snake, you know. Leave him. Yeah, why you going off in your room then? Yeah, no. A big wasp in my room this morning. Oh my lord. Hey. Tamara the clean crab.
Working hard.
Hey, on my birthday, we can't work no more.
Nice week off. Oh, scrape off all of you, huh?
Yeah. One thing I was looking forward to on my trip was some mango. Nothing like some fresh mango right off the tree. I want to show you how to eat mango. You see this mango seed. Number 11 mango. Not panit. We went to Colombia to buy some bear, and that's my village, so we went up there to my cousin to get some bear. I can't believe I used to walk this road every day to go to school from the time I was 5 years old to 12 years old, and that's a long way to walk to school. When my dad was at home, he would take us to school so we didn't have to walk, but most times we walked to school. And this here is my cousin, Carly. Carly, I hope you listen to this. So we gone up there, gone heal him, and this the Lorelei thinks that she to work the bar. And of course, you know, we had to have a bear. I'm not really a bear kind of girl, but I had one. So the next day, my dad made us some barbecue. That Sunday was my birthday. My birthday is in July. And Daddy was making barbecue because that's what I wanted. Oh my gosh. I always say this, but Daddy make the best barbecue. I don't know what he did to them barbecue, but they're nice. That barbecue was the best. I enjoyed every bite of it. And then I also got a cake for my birthday. So that was really good. And then I also got cake again from my mother-in-law. She made cake and gave us, and that was good. I had ice cream. Oh, we love pistachio ice cream. My little niece, she was enjoying it. So we had a lot to eat. Oh, and then Dolores also made tamales. Gatling tamales man, nice. And we had chicharron too, so we had a lot to eat. On this day, we were driving to Mafredai to go visit my uncles, Uncle Rai and Uncle Fred. Every time I go back to Belize, I always make sure to go visit my aunt and uncle. I went to Mafredai to visit my aunt and uncle, Auntie Tina and Uncle Fred, and she was picking some golden plum for us. Oh, it's been a while since I had golden plum because we had a tree in our yard back home, but we don't have the tree anymore. So that was so nice of her. But she always give us something when we go there. Yeah, we got a big tree back at the house, but you know good again. Oh, and cut it down. Okay. Okay. They also have this big crabo tree in the yard. This was Guillermo's first time seeing this big crabo tree. I mean, my gosh, look pan crabo. Ah, I love crabo. And you know how I got Tammy always spoil me. She mashed crabo and milk for me. And that is so good. I love that. This is my Uncle Rice spot in Mafredai. If you ever need a cold beer, just go there because he always say he have Alaskan beer because them beer cold like they come from Alaska. So yeah. This is my hometown. This is in PG. This is my cousin's pawn shop in PG. They own the pawn shop in PG. That's the best in the business. So we just stopped by to give her a Levi Saints heel. Then we went back to that restaurant again, Happy Kitchen, because that's where we always go. And the food was so good. Look what I find. This creamy butter in the tin. My gosh. Look at the price. I forget how much this used to be, but $20. I'm gonna buy one for old time's sake. And have happy goat cheese. On the way back, we passed a piece of daddy rice field. Oh, and check out Dolores and her grandson, man. And of course, this is my cousin Bobo, the one and only Bobo. We got Bobo and Puss back there, and I don't know what tiger me there. It's funny because we all have nicknames for each other, and it's always some kind of animal name. And look panelli cute picnic. My gosh, this is my first time seeing my little nephew since he was born, so I was so excited. And of course we have daddy with him grand picnic and great grand picnic. And I tell you, look pan this little bragging one. This boy put on his sunshade and him just bragging. I tell you, he's so cute. Bragging man. Another day we went to visit our neighbors, Miss Yvonne and Mr. Alfredo, and we've been going there ever since we were little, and they have a really nice place back there with a lot of plants. Here's a little fun fact for you. When we got married, we got all our flowers from here. Oh my gosh. I have to show you a pic of all the flowers and everything in the church.
This for your spinach seed.
They have this big curry leaf tree in the yard, and that's my first time seeing a tree. I've never seen one. I always buy it from the store, but I've never seen one. I may feel so spoiled because my cousin Rilda, she get a cahoon cabbage and cook it and bring it for me, and it was so nice. Oh my gosh, that thing me nice. Hey, I may nearly bite off my finger because it made that nice. Like, gosh, that thing me nice. We made some more fried shrimp again for Boca because you know how we do it. Yes, I got you. Okay, this is the literally first reaction of Buffalo Trace.
First reaction.
I should have been up on Jeannie's side.
Move it, Hector. Turn it, Hector.
Forgive me. It's all that you can say.
Good shit.
Good shit. Okay.
Good shit.
But drain out the cup.
Wash your hands with that.
I never get it off the cups, girl. I never get it off the cups.
Hey, woman, let's go.
You like it?
Hey.
You want next one?
Yes.
Alright.
Ano siya? Gusto mo ba ito?